Previously on our Disney adventures, we took a relaxing boat ride where we entered the Cave of Wonders, as well as seeing some other Disney miniatures. If you guys fancy checking out that video, there's a link in the top right. Yeah, of course we can.
Daddy, you're going to be scared.
Whoa! And as we were walking around Fantasyland, we found ourselves at the train station. And of course, coming down the track is Casey Jr. So let's board a train and see what there is. Choo choo!
Down the track, with the smoky sky. We will find them coming round the hill. Casey's here to fill every jack and Jill. Every time it's funny, we'll see songs. Everybody moves to the circus grounds. Coming from there, the ladies rock the track. Casey Jr.'s back, Casey Jr.'s back. Every time it's funny, we'll see songs. Everybody hurries to the circus grounds.
That ride is really fun. I absolutely loved it. But unfortunately, Amph was recording the entire time. But he wasn't. He had the GoPro out, but he didn't press record. Now I got some footage, which you guys have just seen. But we are going to go on it again and see if Amph learns how to use a GoPro. And here we go for round 2 on Casey Jr. Choo choo!
At all times.
Oh, so it's got a red light if it's recording.
Someone play, Casey?
That's good to know. Yeah, it does.
Daddy, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, it is the second time because I forgot to press record the first time. So yeah, I'm ready. Oh, sorry. I pressed record this time.
Yes. So it has a red button.
Yeah. You can see it flashing.
Yeah.
Do you remind me next time if it's not flashing, we're not recording.
And then we have to go on Dumbo again.
Yeah. We've got a castle here. We're done for the second time.
Choo choo! Guys, that is the second time we've been on Casey Jr. now, but luckily it only took about 5 minutes to get back on the ride, and it was well worth it, guys. That ride is really fun, and I highly recommend visiting Casey Jr. So much fun. Oh man, Esme loved that ride. It went a lot faster than I expected it to. And of course we had to ride it twice. Oh, I'm funny. Well guys, that's the end of this video as we are getting hungry. So we're going to go find somewhere to eat and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you want to be notified of our upcoming Disney adventures, as we are going to explore Adventureland, which is home to, of course, Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh yeah!